Hey guys, welcome back to Tekkit Classic. It's been a little while now. This is the 14th episode in the series. Today I'm going to try and fix our power storage, because we are actually only getting the power from one solar panel, the way I've got this design right now. I hate it. I hate that. I have to make another, and we just lost a solar panel because wrenches don't give it back to you every time. We're gonna make an electric wrench though, as soon as we can. Okay. So we're going to build a different type of wire in this episode that's going to help us get that accomplished. I can't remember the name of it though, but it involved glass, diamonds, and redstone. So let's see. I don't remember at all what it's called. Glass fiber cable. That's it. And it's not easy. So let's see. Diamonds are gonna be required here. Diamonds and redstone, but how many diamonds do we have? Okay, that's a decent amount. For now, we're gonna go ahead and make quite a bit of this stuff, because I know that I'll need it. Alright. We'll go ahead and do 4 sets of it. I don't think I have enough glass. I will have enough for 3, but not 4. But that'll give us 12 cables. That's plenty, I think, for what we're doing. What I'm basically doing here, we're gonna hook all this stuff up with glass fiber cables, and they will run down to the bat box that way. So what I'm actually gonna do, I think, I'm gonna defy gravity a little bit. We're gonna try this. And it's gonna be nighttime too. It's wonderful. It means I'm not even gonna get to test and see if this is working. But if this works, this will be the pretty much the end to our problems with power, with too much being consumed and not enough being regenerated. Alright, it's time to make a bunch of diamonds. You guys are ready to see a bunch of diamonds be made? Okay. Well, there's one. Alright, now I'm about to just... Yeah, we'll go ahead and do that. Alright, 18 diamonds now. Basically just from all that tungsten we got. Oh, sorry, 22 diamonds. That's really good, and I still have this pickaxe here. Let me just throw my wrench back in here. I'm sorry about that. I kinda need to wait for night to pass to make sure this is working. These are redstone engines, as you may recall. You can also get steam engines, which are faster, but steam engines have a chance to explode if you leave them on for too long. So we're just gonna stick with redstone engines for now and maybe forever. Let's see. We tested that. This chest will be for. Hang on a second. That chest, I'm going to put ingots in that chest. So I'll go ahead and do that. I'm gonna get a lot of the stuff out of my inventory now. Actually, what I like to do is this. That way it's just it'll stack up. Alright. I don't want to get rid of my covalent dust because I get the feeling I'm gonna need that again. We'll smelt these again in the morning. I'm very tempted to do that for the sake of the episode, change the time. What can we do now? Now that we're stuck doing nothing else. Let me see if I can't find something fancy I'm trying to make in this episode. Let's see, let's go ahead and find it this way. IC2 bronze armor. Can try and make a jetpack soon, but we'll have to charge the jetpack until we get a flying ring, which will be far down the road. We'll make rubber boots too. Yeah, let's do that if we can. Or what do we need for an electric wrench? Oh, an electric tree tap. Oh my gosh, we need to make some electric tools. I'll do that next time. Oh my gosh. We will make a project table. Let's see if we can't make that, because that's neat. You can leave your stuff in there. Okay. 3 stone, 2 wooden planks. We're gonna need project tables in the future anyways. So guys, this is gonna be more of a shortened episode. I just had to get this little bit figured out over here. I believe I've got it. But I thought about it a lot off camera, even like over vacation and stuff. And it just kinda turns out that it's just a good idea to use these cables right here. I mean, they're more efficient and they travel forever. That's why they're made out of diamonds and redstone, so you can just use them to your heart's content from like 50 miles away and they'll still work. As far as copper cables is concerned, they don't travel a very good distance. So after we build the thing we're building now, the project table, I'm going to try and use this generator that I got back, and I'm going to try and make another solar panel back out of it. And in the next episode, what I'll look to do is make some electric tools. And then after the electric tools, we may get started on a jetpack on the following episode to that, or we may start on a jetpack in the 15th episode. Anyways, I honestly have already forgotten what the project table was. I believe it involved a chest and a crafting bench. Okay, that's easy enough to remember. And it's really neat, like I said, because you can just anyways. No, I need to make the crafting bench and the chest first. Alright. And here you go. It's a project table. And it's just really good for organizing what we're going to do in coming episodes. Like it's going to help me a lot since I get ahead of myself so much. You can store items in the project table down here once you start, a new project. I can go ahead and put the materials that I know I'm going to need in there, and we can get it done in a lot less time. And I can do stuff like that off camera, I guess. Alright, so let me put this in here. We're going to start a solar panel. rebuilding the solar panel. Why does that happen to me? Alright. Once we get 9 solar panels, we'll turn those solar panels into solar arrays, and those upgrade as they go. And they get better. So we need coal dust. Coal dust. And glass. The redstone circuits. Or electronic circuits, I'm sorry. Hello. What the heck? How did he... Okay, that's... Again, that's my problem. I feel like that's very dangerous. I need to work on that door sometime, because I can't just have mobs coming in here attacking me. Okay, redstone circuits. We need 2 of those. Rubber. Wait, okay, never mind. Alright, we're gonna make some more cables now. I don't have my copper on me. It stinks to lose the solar panel. Those are not the easiest things in the world to rebuild. Okay, so we need 2 circuits. Wait a minute, I don't have iron on me. We need refined iron. No. I'm not sure. I can't remember. Let me just throw like 10 in there. And anyways, there's something I was wanting to see. Actually, I'm gonna make a Tekkit chest here. Well, not just like a Tekkit chest, but it's just like a normal crafting table there, by the way. It's, I mean, you just kind of, it's just more fancy because you can store stuff there. Alright. So we need 2 circuits. Oh my gosh. There's always something. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, and you can leave it in the... Okay. That was the other thing I knew existed with those. You could just leave the stuff in there like that. Alright. Another thing we need to get going with here. We need to go over there and get the coal dust smelted, and I need to get some more glass really quick. Oh, it's daytime. Let's see. Oh, look at that. It's totally working. That's a wonderful thing. Well, I'm not going to test anything right now. In fact, we're about to wrap up this episode. Just let me throw my pipes into here, because I won't need those right now. There's a divining rod, some glass, fiber cables. Mainly just the Tekkit stuff. Like I said, alright, let's make more. Come on. Oh yeah, we can do this now though. Like, seriously. Let's watch it go. See, look. I'm using a macerator and I'm still gaining power. Even with the one machine running. It's not gaining by a whole lot. In fact, if 2 machines are running, it'll slowly decline. But since I'm getting power at the same time, it won't really decline fast right now. So it's a lot better, and that's why I'm working on another one right now. Alright. So let's get this, well, actually, make my life a lot easier. Let's just, where's my rubber at? Okay. Throw stuff all over the place. Good. My copper's in here. Alright. Be nice when there's a day I don't have to make this stuff anymore. Alright, so we've got that done. There's the glass we need, and now we're waiting on the coal dust. That was fast. Okay, maybe it just felt fast. Alright. Let's go put this other one out there. And I'll feel safe enough, at least during the day, to use the assembly line effectively and gain power effectively. I put my glass fiber cables up. Why did that even exist? You know how mad I would have been if I wouldn't have got it back there? That would have been the most irritating thing. Okay, swiftly now so I can call it an episode. Like I said, next time we're going to make electric tools. And I'm going to get all these ores smelted again so that I can... Look at that. It goes up almost lightning fast compared to the way it was before. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I hope you enjoyed this first episode in a while. Goodbye.